What's up, what's up, what's up? You already know this is Peach. And today I'm running to Walmart really fast. Choice want some cinnamon rolls, some toaster strudels, and what else he asked me for? Some Reese's. My oldest son said he wants some TikTok recipe he seen with fresh jalapenos, cream cheese, and blue Takis. And then I need some grease to fry my chicken. So that's what we're about. So the first thing we finna get is the jalapeno peppers. I'm assuming we need the green ones because he said we gotta make them hollow. I think I can fit through this way. Jalapeno peppers. They normally sell them in a bag. At least at Publix they do. Sell the green ones in a bag. So yeah, some jalapeno peppers like this. They got this bag. Dang, this junk high. It ain't that many in here for $1.47. The knees right here are really big. They're $1.68 a pound. I'm gonna get both. I'm gonna get this little one because I don't know which one you want, and I'll get a couple big ones. Go ahead and grab us the bag. Ooh, there we go. All right, Peach Patch, I'm thinking I'll get 6 of these because he said he's gonna split them in half and make them hollow so he can stuff them with the cream cheese and his Takis on top. Get one more. 6. Is that 6? Yes, 6. All right, so boom, we done with that. Now we need to get his cream cheese. They don't never got the juice I like. All right, Peach Patch, on to the cream cheese. I thought the cream cheese would have been right here. Ooh, I want to sit in the front. I would have thought the Philadelphia would have been here. See about the butters and stuff. Let's see if it's in a refrigerator, maybe. I wonder if it's over there by the hot dogs. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Oh, it's over here by the eggs. Awesome. All right, so he said get him regular Philadelphia cream cheese. So I guess this original, it is $3.13. Okay, Peach Patch, we also gotta go on A12, the sugar, spices, and bacon aisle. That is what the grease is on. We're gonna get us some. They don't got no big canola oil. Guess I gotta get a little one, a little canola oil. I'm about 2. They $2.28 each. Over here, the oil is a little bit more expensive. It's $6.18 versus the big Walmart. It's like $4.48, but the big Walmart always crowded, so I prefer to come here. Comment down below if you've noticed that, like, when you go to Walmart Market, it seems like food is more expensive versus the big Walmart. I don't know why it is like that. I don't know why Walmart have different prices based on location. I think that's silly, but they do. Peach Patch, I'm gonna get the kids some more popsicles, like the Paw Patrol ones if they got them that gorgeous light. My bucket is so raggedy per usual. This is Walmart, so I don't see any of the Paw Patrols. I see Minions, but I'll get them this. They went to Daddy Mama house and they had these Hawaiian Punch bomb pops and they gave the kids some and they loved them. I was like, what is that? They was like, we need to buy those, so we'll get these for the kids. They're $2.97. At least that's what I think that sign said. Now off to get Choice some cinnamon rolls, and he wants toaster strudels, which is a breakfast item, so it should be somewhere over here. All right, Peach Patch, here are the toaster strudels. They only got, it look like only strawberry. They got the family pack. You know, the big pack is 12 in there. They're $3.87, and then they got these. It said $1.78, which only has 6. I'm just gonna go ahead and get, is this a better buy? Let me do the math. Peach Patch, I knew I wasn't too crazy. These $3.87 for 12, but these are $1.72. I did the math. If I multiply that by 2, it come up to $3.44. So it's better to get 2 small ones. I wish they had the apple cinnamon and the strawberry cream cheese, but they don't. I don't know why Choice want these. We haven't bought these in forever, but that's what he want. And then I'm finally gonna buy these Cinnabons. Oh, they got a 4-pack now, but my family big, so we might as well get the 6 count. The 4-pack is now $6.68. The 6 count is $9.24. Put put that in there. Now we need to go get, what else some kids asked me for? Some blue Takis, and I don't know what else. I think that's it. Gotta get some Reese's. Choice asked me for Reese's. We are now on the chip aisle. My little raggedy buggy. We gotta find the blue Takis. Lordy, lordy, lordy. I actually gotta step back and look, cause like oh where could the blue Takis be? Oh where could they be? I might have to send him in Publix to get his own blue Takis. They probably in my face. Peach Fetch, comment down below if you see blue Takis. Sometimes I'll be like, I don't see it, and then I get home and y'all be like, it's right there in your face. But it don't like they got blue Takis. And here, let's go down here just to be sure. Blue Takis, where are you? Yeah, to me it don't look like they got no blue Takis. So yeah, he'll have to go to Publix. Publix normally have Takis, the big bag. So he'll have to just go in there and see. Comment down below, Peach Patch, if you buy your kids Takis, where do you buy them from? Somebody might say Takis is bad for you. You shouldn't be buying them kids Takis, but I am. I hate when I come to the grocery store for like various items, because now I'm just like back and forth on the aisles, versus when I grocery shop, I go down like every aisle one by one. I keep forgetting some. All right, Peach Patch, we now are on the candy aisle. We're gonna get choice some Reese's. So I'm gonna get 2 packs of these. They're $1.96. My kids gonna go through all these today. Them and their daddy. These will be gone. Let me get some Twix. We'll get 2 packs of the little Twix as well. I don't really be buying candy like that, because they eat it all real fast and then they be super duper hyper. I used to think that was a lie until I actually stopped giving them candy. I'd rather get them popsicles. So, popsicles are like sugary snack as well. I feel like they don't get as hype off popsicles versus candy. I'm in the checkout line and I do see some Takis, but they only got this kind, the purple kind. They're $1.68. I'm gonna buy him 1 bag just in case Publix doesn't have the blue kind that he wants. This all I really was coming to get was some canola oil. I think this is my cheapest Walmart trip and forever. Peach Patch. Peach Patch, our total ended up being $34.18. Peach Patch, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Fly with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yep, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.